To use a best take feature on Google Pixel phone, first you will need to open your camera. Then you will need to capture a few photos of, for example, your face, but you can try multiple different things. In this case, I'm going to take pictures of this figurine right here. Okay, so we have multiple photos of that figurine. Now what we need to do is open that photos, click on Edit button, then go to the tools, and then there's the best take feature. It will allow you to, for example, swap the faces of a person on that photo, but in this case it doesn't work for that picture, but that's basically how you can use that feature.